Hello. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Spooky Season Stories with the PVUMC Youth. The date was December 21st. I woke up in my bed and my closet was creaking. I thought it was just the fears again, so I went back to sleep. I woke up again. The closet door opened. There was a green hand. There was a pointed head, and it looked around the room. I thought I was asleep. So with a flash of red and green and a little bit of white, flashed out the door. Seemed like it wanted dinner. It was chanting "hungry" over and over again. And then it went downstairs to the kitchen. I followed it downstairs. Seems like it was looking for food. It looked in the fridge, but apparently that didn't satisfy its needs. So it went over to the Christmas tree. There were cookies and milk. It quickly munched up the cookies and milk. And then it turned around. It looked at me, staring
into my soul, my eyes, and my body.
It looked straight at me. It was the Grinch. Started chasing after me, so I ran upstairs as quick as I could. Kept following me, but I didn't look behind me. Seemed to be in some black wispy form, kind of like a Death Eater in Harry Potter. So it was following me as I ran up the stairs into my room. I was hoping that I could find my pocket knife in time that was hidden in my safe, and open it in time to defend myself. So I went to my room. It was behind me. And I turned on the light. It was gone like that.